Thank you for showing up. I offer you so much love and kindness. This meditation would help you cleanse any energy that doesn't serve you. Plus, it would calm you down. I offer you to sit or stand in any position you want. Your choice completely. Now, let's take a deep breath at any pace you want. I'm sorry to interrupt, but it would be nice if you choose to massage your earlobes. Probably stretch your neck a bit. How does it feel? I offer you notice the sensations. As you continue massaging your ear or neck, I offer you gently shift your awareness to the area in between your chest. With your mind's eye, visualize a growing ball of light is centered on your chest. This light ball sourcing from your chest is love. Now filling the area you are at, your surroundings. Can you feel the loving energy wrap around your skin, sourcing from your chest and filling all around you? The love you deserve and you're worthy of. Right this moment, you are surrounded by it. The light source is now filling your body into your blood vessels, behind your eyes, all in your body. With the help of the mind's eye, you can see the tip of your toes open up. The loving energy gently removes any energy that doesn't serve you. This stagnant energy, and release it from your toes. That unwanted energy dissolving into the universe. The little universe you have in your body is now filled with positive, loving energy, making you radiate and glow the way you were born to shine. Now, you imagine above your head a ball of light appears. This ball of light above your head starts a rain of light, a rain of light that is surrounding your aura, cleansing your aura and filling it with new positive light. You can stay in this light rain as long as you want. I leave now. Lots of love, beautiful soul.